All right, YouTube, Discord, what's shaking? I'm doing another big pickup. Got me a knife this time, so I don't have to saw away at it with a pair of wire cutters. Got me some Rick Owens. I know that you're not supposed to pay. You're not supposed to, cop directly from the store, because I've been told that I'm gonna want to absolutely kill myself once I find out what this stuff goes on sale for. And that's true, but the thing is, I needed crop pants wicked bad, so that's my excuse. And yeah, I've just given away what it is that I'm unboxing here. So let's work out how this has been taped. In addition to that, I did the smart thing. I copped another one of these Ripley white t-shirts off of Farfetch for about $1.70 with that sale that they're having. And that's, now that I've got these, that's all that I'm going to be doing. And frankly, I'm not even going to be copping that much more Rick, because I have my looks set up perfectly all, for the winter. And I got enough shorts to last me for the summer. And the only thing I really need for the summer is some tanks, and that's a good long way off. And we have, oh, they didn't give me one of these last time. We got we got this. We got Rick Owens envelope. I love me the Rick Owens envelope. Gotta say it again. Rick Owens tape. Yeah, Rick Owens tape. Exactly. Let's, ooh. I love the wrapping paper. We got we got a tote bag. We got a tote bag, and we have, inside of that tote bag, get ready people, we have size fitty crops. Size fitty TE crop pants. Now, I am fairly certain that these are going to fit. If they don't, they're going right the fuck back. Ain't no dilly-dallying around this time. Hang on, I'm just going to step outside the camera. I'm wearing my long men's socks that make it easier to fit the Ramones socks, because you pretty much gotta, if you're gonna have Ramones socks, you gotta have the crop pants. And I'm trying not to think about the fact that some big old Rick leather shit kicker boots would just look fantastic with these pants as well. But anyway, let's put these on. How are we looking? Can I walk in them? I can walk in them. I can walk nicely in them. Let me just throw on them socks. Just a second. I'll do that on camera. That way I'm not having people stare at an empty room and shit. All right. Which one of these boxes got my sock? No, you're heavy. You're GeoBaskets. You're the sock. Here we go. This is gonna look dope as hell. This is a canonical Rick look. We got sock and we got crop. Word up. Go stunt like a motherfucker, even though I'm supposed to be studying for the certification, which is too much information in it. TMI. Anyway, let's pop these sumbitches on, and this no returns thing is kind of tugging. Good God, I'm having wardrobe malfunctions. I got this thing is down here. Sometimes the sock don't want to go on right away, and you don't want to force issues. Sock is delicate. Yep. Speak of the devil. Just went on a little sideways. So I like to give the leather a little twist, and nope. Once again, sock and foot are not on the same. Oh, slid right on perfectly. Now for the right foot actually usually causes less sock trouble. God damn it! See, this is just because I'm wound up and this thing's messing with me. So since this thing's messing with me, and no, you know what? I haven't 100% determined these fit yet. So I don't I don't want to be chopping off the no return stack. Although I'm pretty certain that we got us, as the kids like to say, a dope fit. Oh, and yeah, we totally do. Yes. Let's put that at foot level. And oh, word. Yeah. Yes. I'm finna post this to Reddit and get totally roasted for wearing more than 2 Rick Owens pieces in an outfit. Let's see. I'm gonna pop on with this. Let's pop. Let's pop on the goth sweatshirt. Let's do Mr. Medium sweatshirt or the extra large sweatshirt? I'm just gonna put on whichever one I grab. This is the medium. All right. So we got medium. We got medium. We got ripple shirt. We got crop pants. Hell yeah, dude. Whoops. Yeah, that's fucking rad. It's hella rad. All right, so this is it. I have put on my big boy Rick pants, and I'm feeling pretty fucking good about that. Black square, black flag.